Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about constructors in Java. So you might be thinking a constructor might not be important if we are learning Java. But believe me, they are the foundations of every Java programs we write. So in this video, I'm going to talk about what is the basics of constructor, what are their importance, and we will also see what if there is no constructor, what will our Java program do. So my name is Aftab Mandal and let's move forward into this video. So let's start with the basics of constructor. A constructor is a special method which has the same name as that of our class, which is used to set the initial state of our object's properties or state of object. So the main purpose of constructor is to set the initial state of our object. But apart from that, apart from initializing the state of object, it has many other works also. But what? But why is this so important to learn about constructors and what importance it holds in Java programming? So suppose we have a house which has no foundation. So we all know if a house has no foundation, it will fall apart and it will collapse in no time. The same way, Java constructors acts as a foundation in our programming. It provides the foundation to our programming, which makes our program more reliable and predictable. Uh, in absence of constructors, our code might be unreliable and unpredictable, which might lead to an unintentional execution of our code. So a constructor is that important in our code. So what if there is no constructor? In this case, our JVM or Java will automatically provide a default constructor to our program, which if a default constructor is called, which will do nothing but it will only initialize the default values of the fields of that particular class or object. So in this way, if we do not provide any constructor, a default constructor will be called. But if we want very specific to initialize the properties of our object, then we must use parameterized constructor. In this way, we will provide more specific meaning to our object. So a parameterized constructor is more appreciated if you want any particular type of result. So there are two types of constructor which we already discussed, that is a default constructor and parameterized constructor. Apart from that, we have also one copy constructor which is not directly supported in Java, but we can achieve copy constructors intention by just passing a already created object to a constructor. And those are the types of constructor. So that was all about constructors in Java. So in conclusion, all I would like to say that a constructor might not be considered as an important topic, but believe me that it is one of the most important and foundation of our every Java programming. And apart from its work that it is used to only initialize state, it is also used to allocate memory, or it is also used to call the superclasses constructor. So we can also call the constructor which is present in superclass. This is called method constructor chaining, in which we can call the constructor of the superclass. So that was all from my side. I hope you learned something new from this video. My name is Aftab. I will see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.